Do you know Turkish simit? It's a well-known street food of Turkey. And in this episode I'm gonna show you a fried, easy version. I'm Ayşenur Altan. Welcome to Turkish Food and Travel. Let's make it! I'm gonna use mix of whole milk and warm water. It is 1 cup 250 milliliter. Adding 2 teaspoons dry yeast and 2 teaspoons granulated sugar. I'm gonna let it sit for 5 minutes until it becomes foamy. Now I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of vegetable oil or olive oil and close to 3 cups all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon salt. I'm gonna knead until it is smooth and not sticking. You can gradually add more flour if needed. My dough is ready. I'm gonna turn it into a bowl, cover and let it rise for about 15 minutes until it is doubled. Here the fun part begins. We're gonna shape it. First, transfer the dough into a lightly floured surface and roll out into about a 2 centimeter thickness. I'm using donut cutter. You can use one big and one small round cutter, and going to take out my shapes like this. Keep the holes like this. You don't have to turn them into a dough again. It will be in a bowl shape, nicely fried donuts. Turn the rest of the dough into bowl again and continue to shape until all of the dough is finished. Here they are, and the next step will be to let them rise again. And to prevent them from drying out, I usually use this freezer bag that I tear it off and then cover it with a clean kitchen towel. Meanwhile, in a separate 2 bowls, I added milk and sesame seeds to coat them and waited about 15 minutes. And here how you coat it. First dip into milk simply and then generously to the sesame seeds. After a time I tried only dipping one side, but since the other side also touches to the milk, somehow it became sticky, so to prevent it, it is better to coat both sides. Heat deep dish pan and vegetable oil, and I'm ready to fry my simits. You can lightly shake them up to get rid of the sesame seeds, but they are usually 90% sticking well, and fry in a medium-high heat until both sides are golden in color. I have the classic Turkish simit recipe on my channel as well. Let me quickly show you how you can shape it to give you the idea. It's very simple. You can clearly understand, and if you want to watch the full episode, check my links in the description box. In this method, you dip the simits into water and molasses mixture and then into sesame seeds again and bake it in the oven. But since it has the same beautiful sesame coatings, this fried method is also very easy to make, like a donut, but savory and a perfect company with either breakfast, lunch, or as a quick snack. Finally, I fried the simit holes without dipping it, and I wanted to serve it similar to donuts after frying by dipping into cinnamon and powdered sugar mixture. They came out perfectly as a dessert version of the fried simit. So I hope you give it a try and like it. You can serve Turkish breakfast items like cheese, olives, tomatoes, cucumbers along with Turkish tea would go well, or dip it into jam and enjoy. It is still crispy. Yes. I'm just gonna get piece of it with some cheese and olives. It's really good, my friends. I hope you give it a try and let me know. Share your photos with me from my Instagram account, Turkish Food and Travel. Stay tuned for more vlogs and travel episodes. I hope to see you in another delicious Turkish food recipes and travel vlogs. Bye.